North Korean state media on Wednesday made no mention of new appearances by leader Kim Jong Un, amid continued international speculation over his health, following reports he underwent surgery. Officials in South Korea and China and sources familiar with U.S. intelligence have cast doubt on media reports that claimed Kim was gravely ill after a cardiovascular procedure, while the White House said it was closely monitoring the issue. "I just hope he's doing fine," President Trump told a White House news conference on Tuesday. "I've had a very good relationship with Kim Jong Un. And I'd like to see him do well. We'll see how he does. We don't know if the reports are true." Speculation about Kim's health first arose due to his absence from the anniversary of the birthday of North Korea's founding father and Kim's grandfather, Kim Il-sung, on April 15. A train likely belonging to North Korea's leader has been spotted at a resort town in the country's east, amid conflicting reports about Kim Jong Un's health and whereabouts. Sources say the train was parked at the leadership station in Wonsan on April 21 and April 23. The station is reserved for the use of the Kim family, according to the Washington, D.C.-based group. Don't forget to leave your comment below and also make thumbs up for this video, still more to come. Officials in South Korea and China and sources familiar with U.S. intelligence have cast doubt on media reports that claimed Kim was gravely ill after a cardiovascular procedure, while the White House said it was closely monitoring the issue.